Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Apple TV remote not charging, cable, port and battery fix that works. Fix 1 is check the charging cable. Use an Apple certified USB-C or lightning cable. Then check the cable for cuts, bends or damage. Then try a different charging cable if available. Plug the cable in firmly and make sure it is fits properly. Second one is use a different charger or USB port. Plug the cable into a different USB wall charger. Then you can also try charging from the computer's USB port. Avoid using damaged or low power USB adapter. Leave the remote connected for at least 30 minutes. Third one is clean the charging port. Unplug the charging cable, then look inside the charging port or for dust or lint. Carefully remove debris with a soft brush or wooden toothpick. Plug the charger back in and check if charging start. Fourth one is recharge the battery. Connect the remote to a charger, then leave it charging for at least 30 to 60 minutes. Check the battery level in settings, remote and device, then remote. Fifth one is check the battery status. On Apple TV, open settings, then go to remotes and device, then remote. Then check the battery percentage. If the battery never increase after charging, the battery may need service or replacement. Thanks for watching.